Rock Island
Another
County,
severe thunderstorm
northwestern
warning.
Worcester County,
The tornado
southeastern
warning still in
Keokuk County,
effect.
Cedar County, Washington County, Muscatine County, Jefferson County, Henry County, northwestern Des Moines County, Louisa County, western Scott County, Johnson County, southwestern Clinton County, eastern Iowa County, until 7:45 a.m. At 6:38 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wofford to near Richmond to near Libertyville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Davenport, Iowa City, Muscatine, Fairfield, Mount Pleasant, Washington, Tipton, West Branch, Wapello, Columbus Junction, Durant, Coralville, North Liberty, West Liberty, Wilton, Kelowna, Solon, Tiffin, New London, and Walcott. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 222 and 292. Interstate 380 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 8. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now.